Did you know that effective heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system management can transform both energy efficiency and human comfort in any facility? Organizations frequently struggle with maintaining optimal heating, ventilation, and air conditioning operations, facing challenges in energy consumption, system reliability, and indoor air quality. Poor system management leads to increased operational costs, reduced occupant comfort, and potential compliance issues that impact both productivity and sustainability goals in modern facilities. The complexity of modern systems makes this challenge even more significant. Facility managers and technicians often feel overwhelmed by complex heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, lacking comprehensive understanding of modern technologies and optimization strategies. This knowledge gap creates inefficiencies in system operation and maintenance, leading to suboptimal performance, increased energy costs, and reduced system longevity. This course provides a comprehensive toolkit for mastering heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system management. Participants learn advanced techniques for system design, performance optimization, and preventive maintenance strategies that ensure long-term reliability and efficiency across diverse facility environments. The program covers both theoretical principles and practical applications. Organizations gain enhanced capabilities in system operations, improving energy efficiency while ensuring optimal indoor environmental quality. The ability to effectively manage heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems becomes a critical component of facility excellence and sustainability initiatives in today's energy-conscious world. Individual participants become system specialists, capable of optimizing performance and troubleshooting complex issues. Teams learn collaborative approaches to maintaining and improving operations through systematic analysis and preventive maintenance protocols. At the organizational level, expect improved energy efficiency, enhanced occupant comfort, and reduced operational costs. Individual professionals emerge with specialized expertise in system management, optimization strategies, and sustainable operations. Transform your facility's environmental control systems. Master heating, ventilation, and air conditioning principles today.